Once you are in Google Meet, all you have to need to change your background, click this little arrow icon to open your video settings. In here, click on backgrounds and effects. And now here we can see my current webcam preview or video preview. Now select your backgrounds and you can select any background from the suggestion list. As you can see, you can also choose any background from this cozy home section. You can also select any background from nature section. And if you have a custom background you want to upload, you can click these add your own personal background icon, and now from your computer you can easily choose any custom photo. Let's select this one for example, and here you can see the custom background photo successfully added. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.